Adonis is gently cleaning his feathers, taking his time in this quiet spring moment. And just behind him, there she is, Aphrodite, sitting in the nest, still and focused. She barely moves, but you can feel her attention, always protecting. Now, we're close to her. Look at how calm she is, how patient. This is where a new life is being protected, quietly, gently. Adonis comes forward. He starts to feed peacefully, enjoying the moment. Just the simple rhythm of nature. And from the nest, Aphrodite is watching. While everything moves around her. Her place is here, keeping the nest safe. Stay close. Their story is just beginning.